YouTube channel. We hope you are liking our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, the links are mentioned in the description box below. So अभी काफी सारी families में हम देखते हैं कि there are quarrels among properties, jewelries and even money also. And काफी सारी movies भी बनी हैं इन चीजों पे, right? So और सब लोगों को they want to be a part of the elders' legacy. So बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो अभी भी estate planning को लेके aware नहीं है. So let's start with that only. What is an estate planning?
अंजलि, ये बहुत ही सेंसिटिव टॉपिक है. आई थिंक सबसे कम बात इसी चीज के ऊपर होती है क्योंकि एक परसेप्शन है स्टेट प्लानिंग बेसिकली ओनली मीन फॉर अ वेल्थी पीपल एंड पीपल हु हैव गॉट अ मल्टीपल एसेट्स. ओके, बट I would say it is for all and we'll talk in detail later on. But if I talk about what is estate planning, is nothing but a legal document which ensure that how your asset should be get distributed to your loved one when you are not in this world.
Alright, so can you tell us the importance of an estate planning?
So I relate with the example which I generally pass it to a client as well. So today is the era of nuclear family. Okay, the era is over of joint family. So what happens when husband makes the investment, he makes the nominee to his wife. When she makes the investment, wife makes the investment, she makes the nominee to his husband. Okay, but imagine it, we both go for a vacation together, movie together, driving together. If God forbid something happens, then there is no provision how the saving which I have created for my family will get passed to the next generation. Okay, especially when the children are minor. One. Second would be the era of physical investment is over. Today is the era of digitization. Right? If somebody dies in family, so earlier what used to happen? They used to try to find the documents where it has been kept, like passbooks, share certificates, FD's paper. Today, if you look at, I don't know when I visited a bank to get my passbook updated. Right? So there is no traces of it. So estate planning helps not only to documenting what asset I have done, it also helps us to form the right way how it should be get utilized when I am not in this world.
Alright. So Ravi, is will planning and estate planning are similar?
See, estate planning is a very holistic approach. Will is a part of it. Right?
Okay.
So technically, will be solving one set of problem, but apart from that, one should be looking at the other thing as well, which are like power of attorney, healthcare directives, trust. What exactly it is, right? So the first we talk about the will. General perception is will is only meant for the wealthy people, okay? But trust me, it is not mandatory. Even if you write in the plain white paper, right set of content, and you sign it your own, vetted by 2 witnesses, and you keep it in drawer, that will is still valid if you are not in this world. Right? If you want to make sure that it should be not get challenged, then what you need to do? Then you need to visit a court and get that will registered. If that is not a case, challenging is not a case, then simple writing will can help you out to solve this problem. Other thing is power of attorney, which is very, very important element. Now imagine it, I am not in a state of mind to take any financial decision. I met with an accident, I'm in a coma. Right? So what will happen to my investments or my money which are lying in the bank account? So I should appoint somebody in the form of power of attorney. It's called conditional power of attorney, where in case of my state of mind is not there to take the financial decision, my family member or whosoever I trust them should be acting on my behalf. That's second. Third is the health directives. Okay, what exactly it is? Now imagine it, there is a serious health issue and with keeping somebody in coma, or maybe he's not in a take any financial decision, he's in a mental issue, for example. Then what will happen? Who will gonna take the decision for his health related things or the hospitalization related things? So then that's called the health directives. It is a part of the power of attorney also only. Where in case my mental or my physical health is not in the form of taking decision, who as a family should be doing on my behalf, right? Okay. Last is a trust. Okay, so trust I feel is for a people who have got a little bigger assets, because what is the problem it gets solved? Imagine if somebody is a businessman and he is running a shop. Now you cannot distribute shop to your two sons, right? Then what will happen? You can form a trust to transfer the asset of the shop into a trust, and their entire family will become beneficiary. You can decide the percentage allocation to it, right? If you have got a properties, number of properties which are generating the rental yield, right? Rather transferring to each individual, then you can form a trust, transfer this all real estate in that, and whatever the rent trust is generating will get passed to the beneficiary. So this will help you to avoid legacy tax, which is not currently in India, but maybe it's a very common tax, maybe applies later on. This will help you to solve the legacy tax problem, and at the same time the ambiguity among the family, because all will become a owner of all the assets equally.
Alright, so now the last question, like if someone wishes to start in estate planning, can financial planners help with this too?
See, financial planner can help you to give you the direction, especially on the will. The claim will, yes, we help our clients, share the format with them. But apart from that, if you want to get it registered with the court, then you need to approach to your lawyer. If you want to form the trust, then you need to approach to a lawyer or maybe a CS who can help you out in that. And then the transferring of the asset will happen. A financial planner can help you to give you the direction and what are things you should be solving it. For execution purpose, naturally you need to take a help of the lawyer and CA and CS to get this work done.
Alright, well, thank you Ravi, and thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.